Did you know you could get the old versions of a website? The status, the look, and the related links of the website belonging to years before the current one? Turns out there is a time machine for websites, the Wayback Machine. Sadly, it can show you the past versions but not the future, for obvious reasons. This is useful for projects related to working of web browsers where I needed to see, how did this website look like 10 years back? All you need to do is paste your URL in the search bar of the Wayback Machine. You will get a page filled with calendars and circled dates on them. The dates refer to the day when screenshots of the web page were taken. Click on the exact date you want to look into. You will find the timestamps of the screenshot. At the top, you can refer to years and frequency of edits in a bar chart. Clicking on one timestamp will lead you to the web page exactly of that date and time. How to use it? The following is an example of how to use this database. If, for example, I wanted to search about Wikipedia, I would enter the keywords in the search bar. Now, on the basis of my current date requirement, for instance, I want to search around January 2006 near. I can simply click on the date, for example, the 4th of January, shown below in the calendar, and get the URL I need. When we click on the snapshots for the 4th of January, we get information about Wikipedia from back then. Note 1. Always create the PDFs of all the links that were used in the report and shared it during the update itself. Please like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for the support.